The Diono 3QXT is a new generation of Diono car seats. It still has that same DNA from the original Diono car seats, steel alloy frame, 3 across in the back seat, folding car seat, and it is goes from newborn all the way up to 120 pounds in lots of different modes and configurations. And in this video, I'm going to be breaking it all down for you, showing you all the different features so we can demystify this for you. Because folks, shopping for convertible car seats is sometimes just as challenging or more challenging than it was for shopping for your newborn products. Like, it can be kind of crazy. So you should get in touch with one of our experts. We can walk you through all the features of the Diono car seats or any other convertible car seat. You can email us your questions to questions@amazing.com. You can give us a call at 617-383-8259. You can book a free virtual consultation through video through Zoom, and we will literally take you through the features step by step. It's amazing. Or you can just leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to Magic Bean's videos to see more videos like these. And so let's show you the Diono 3QXT. So here is the Diono 3QXT. Now, this convertible car seat did not make it into my full roundup of the best convertible car seats of 2020, but you should definitely watch that after this video, because this is definitely one of my favorite convertible car seats for 2020. I've been a big Diono fan from the beginning. We've been selling Diono car seats for over 10 years, but this is a next generation Diono seat. And it's definitely a seat that you should be considering. One of the things that makes Diono unique and different from almost all of the other car seats, though there is some steel incorporated in some of your car seats that you know and love and are considering, there is a full steel alloy frame within the guts of this car seat. So it is protecting your child and absorbing the energy with steel, not to mention the different foam that they incorporate into the seat. So in terms of safety, in terms of crash testing, this is one of the safest seats on the market. Another thing about this seat, besides the steel alloy frame, is that it is a car seat you can put 3 across. Very frequently we get asked about what can go 3 across. Not all car seats can go 3 across, but the cool thing about Diono, these are basically the original 3 across car seat. So you can put, if you're carpooling, if you have a bunch of different kids, you can get 3 across in the back of your seats. You don't have to get a new car, you just have to get a new car seat. That is pretty cool. And the other thing about this car seat, before I show you the really, really cool features of this particular product, is that I'll tell you 2 more things. One is that it is a folding car seat. That's actually a really cool thing. So on the bottom here, there are these little gray tabs. You pull the gray tab and you can fold it down, and there's actually a little red sort of Velcro mechanism. I'll pull it out for you, like Houdini. That, and you just pull it through, close it up, and now it is like FAA approved car seat, and you could put this right through the airport, so you're not schlepping a giant car seat through the airport, or if you are storing it, this is the only folding car seat. Actually, when you unfold it, you can see the EPS foam and also sort of part of the steel. You can see these steel components inside of it, and this is one of my favorite things. Listen to this. Listen. How solid and secure is that? It is a nice, secure, solid car seat, and then you take this thing and you tuck it in. Okay, so to review, it's a steel alloy frame. You get 3 across, and it is a folding car seat, and it is a car seat that starts at 4 pounds, newborn, and I'm going to show you some of the really cool newborn qualities to this, and it goes all the way up to booster seat. That is a very long range. So in terms of longevity, this is definitely a convertible car seat that you should be looking at. Now, most people get an infant car seat, but if you are a family that doesn't use a car all the time, or doesn't want to have an infant car seat and a convertible car seat, and if you want to think this through, this sounds like you, I don't know whether to get one, you should definitely book a free consultation or email us your questions to questions@mbeans.com, or give us a call or leave a comment below. But this is a car seat that you could use for newborn. So let's start the newborn part of this. I'm going to turn this seat around. Okay, so something you need to know about this Diono seat is that to recline it, there isn't like a latch mechanism to recline it. You have this really cool little foot plate. Not sure how cool it is, but it's a piece of plastic. But it works. Push the buttons in and now it's in, and now you are creating a recline. Also, they added an anti-rebound bar. There are these two little holes right there in the front. You grab your anti-rebound bar and you push it in. Anti-rebound bar installed. And now you have that Safe Plus steel right up against the back seat. So if you're, God forbid, in a car crash, what you're able to do is the car seat will be crashing, unfortunately, in the forward direction. And then what this is going to do is this is going to keep this securely in place and also stop it from rebounding back. That's what's called the anti-rebound bar, and just keep the seat a lot more secure. So that is a great reason to have an anti-rebound bar on your car seat. The latch connection to super latch that uses like even more latch capacity. It's stored in the back here. If you just like open up these two little compartments, and they have them latched really nicely. I just want to just a shout out to Diono. I've seen lots of generations of Dionos over the years. This is the most refined, the most elegant of the Diono seats that I've seen. It looks really, really nice. They just, in terms of just like a visual presentation, it is really, they did a great job. Also, you should know that there is like a memory foam pad right there on the seat. The next thing you do is you add an infant insert, and so you can see there's like a wedge, right? It starts at 4 pounds. Your baby wants to be kind of flat if you're using this from the newborn position, and you put in the wedge, and also you add an extra layer of side impact protection to your child, your little baby, by putting this around the child. And now you'll put the harness over. This is not a installation video, but you put this around the child, and now you have 2 layers of side impact protection, but there's actually another layer of side impact protection. Get this. So like I said, with a Diono seat, you want to potentially be able to get 3 across. But and they keep it 17 inches wide in order to do that, but you may want to have a triple layer of side impact protection, which will increase the width of the seat. So what they did is they added this Safe Plus side impact management pods to put on the side of the seat. So if you're not doing even if you're doing a 3 across installation and you want to have on the outside, like by the door, like by the window where, God forbid, a side impact crash could happen, what you can do is you can just add this little pod on the side, and there you go. It's another layer of side impact protection. So you have like 1, 2, 3 layers of side impact protection in this really, really super secure and comfy side impact like infant part to have it be used for an infant. That is amazing. And as your child gets bigger, you'll remove all the infant things, and now you have a really, really solid, secure, and comfortable seat for your toddler or your older baby. Again, with that sort of memory foam, really, really comfy thing for their tush. And also, again, it's a machine washable seat as well. In terms of the side impact protection, they've also improved that from their previous generation car seats. Very similar mechanism to the to other car seats that you know and love, just by pushing this little gray button, and there's 12 positions that's really easy to adjust as your child gets bigger. So you can install it with a super latch, you can install it with a seatbelt, depending on how your car is set up. And this also obviously works in and it's rear facing to 50 pounds. We love extended rear facing at Magic Beans. We recommend that your child is rear facing as long as possible, so there is rear facing to 50 pounds on the seat, which is awesome. When you're doing it in the forward facing position, you just remove the seat, just push these 2 buttons on the side, boom, comes right out. Oh, I also didn't mention that they have these little shoulder protectors as well for the little baby, to actually extra safety, extra comfort for your little baby. Right, the straps around the straps. To remove the anti-rebound bar, there are just 2 buttons on the side. You just push 1 and 2, it comes right out. And now you're in the forward facing position. Like I said, with a harness up to 65 pounds, you remove the harness and you can pull this all the way up and you can have your nice big kid be in there. You can use this as in booster mode. It's really important that your child is in a booster seat. And you just take the seatbelt, and there's a little connection point underneath, and then you just booster your child in, and you click it in. I'm really liking these generous walls of side impact protection. The pod, 3 levels of side impact protection. Again, they're really comfy cushion. As your child gets older, you can remove it, remove the memory foam, so it just really makes the seat a lot bigger. You could even, as your child gets bigger, open up the flaps here for your child as their hips grow. So they really thought of everything in the seat, and so it may be a good choice for you. You may be looking at this. You may be looking at a Nunarava or a Klek Foomf, another 3 across car seat. These are all things that we sell at Magic Beans, and if you want to do a free virtual consultation with one of our car seat experts, and you can do it from right here from the store. We'll set up a tripod, and we can demo this right for you, right for the comfort of your home. If you don't live in the greater Boston area, please click in the description below to book a free virtual consultation. Like I said, this is one of the best convertible car seats of 2020, and I do a roundup of the other best convertible car seats of 2020. This just wasn't available at the time, and you can watch that right now. So click over to the next video, and I will see you there. Thanks for watching. Oh, and like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.